It's been almost a year since 2-year-old Logan Venegas drowned in White Oak Bayou. Not even 2 months had passed when Logan's parents first contacted Fox 26 Investigates.
I just keep waiting to wrestle with him on the floor, or to hear his laugh, or to come running when he hears the ice cream truck, and it's never gonna happen.
After Logan died, his parents kept hearing it was an avoidable accident, something they couldn't accept. Even though the person responsible was Logan's grandmother and his father's mother, the couple wanted justice, even if it meant destroying family relationships.
You haven't even spoken to your mother since this happened.
I don't want to speak to her ever again, As far as I see, I was born with that one.
Would you want your mom to face a criminal charge? Would you want your mom to go to jail?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Logan's grandmother, Maria Ramirez, was charged with criminally negligent homicide. She's pled no contest. Seeing Ramirez in the courtroom was the first time the couple laid eyes on her since the day of Logan's death. Remember, this is their relative.
This is the first time that we've seen her since that day. And nothing. No remorse, no emotion, no reaction, nothing.
Logan's parents have said all along what happened wasn't just an accident, and it could have been avoided. In court, it was pointed out 1 week before his death, Logan was found wandering alone near the bayou while his grandmother was supposed to be watching him. Even that wasn't the first time Ramirez reportedly left her 2-year-old grandson outside to play unattended.
It was an ongoing issue that she was aware of and chose, for whatever reasons, not to let the two of us know.
Rochelle Venegas read a letter to her mother-in-law in court, chiding her for giving her no explanation for her son's death and no apology.
She wouldn't even look at me. I looked at her a couple of different times to see if I could gauge a reaction, to see any kind of emotion from her, but she wouldn't look at me. She didn't even shed a tear.
But Ramirez's attorney says his client is remorseful.
This is a tragedy that breaks the heart of everybody involved. There are no bad people involved in this. It's just a tragedy that just breaks your heart.
Ramirez was sentenced to 5 years deferred probation, which means if she successfully completes it, she will have no final conviction on her record.
You told me that you wanted her to go to jail. You want to see her go to jail. I mean, that didn't happen, but do you still feel that way?
In ways, yes, I do.
One condition of her probation, Ramirez cannot be alone with children. That could be problematic since CPS has given her custody of 3 of her grandkids. CPS tells us Ramirez's adult daughter must be present when Ramirez is with the kids at all times. It didn't make the hurt go away, but seeking justice might at least allow Logan's parents a chance to heal.
Just having to face her and having to have her hear those words made a great difference for me.
Randy Wallace, Fox 26, investigates.